Bless up to my people once more. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look on a Toyota vitz. Engine check light show up itself, so we're gonna run a diagnostic test and see what I go on for it. See? Oh, our engine already start. So our next step was to plug in our OBD2 Bluetooth scanner tool. See? And the next step was to open the compatible app, which is car scanner. I use the car scanner app, people, to connect to the OBD2. Alright, so normally it would want to connect to the scanner tool, but you have to disconnect and search for the type of vehicle where you want to scan. So in this case, we're gonna look for the Toyota. We have to search the Toyota because we're gonna scan a Toyota vehicle. So after we establish that, we want to put it on all OBD2 compatible Toyota vehicles. See? So if you search and you don't find your Toyota vehicle, when you put it on all, it's supposed to find it. So right now we successfully connected. Alright people, remember, whenever you scan your vehicle and it tells you a certain trouble code and you clear it, that doesn't fix the problem, see? So what you need to do, write down the stuff, and if you cannot fix it yourself, you take it to a mechanic and tell them exactly what the problem is. Because clearing the trouble codes, yes, the computer check light will be off, but it doesn't solve the problem. The problem is still there. Just a reminder. Alright? Alright, check this out, guys. We're gonna take a look upon one of the trouble code. See? The number 2 cylinder misfire. So we are going to burn it, and I'm going to show now some of the possible tests one can carry out and see what really go on with the number 2 cylinder. First thing we're going to check is the connector power wires. We're supposed to get 2 different voltages. You're supposed to get a 12 volt and a 5 volt. If we test it and we get those, we know that the connector wires are not the problem. See? So, and from there, the next thing we'll check is the coil pack. So if we get the same values on the coil pack when we test them, the coil pack is not the problem. See? Which lead us to the spark plugs.
and you can do a visual inspection on them. You know, if you see some like burning on the white coating part, or if you see any form of oil on it, you know, so you definitely have to change. But means that we test the connector bars and we test the coil packs and them good. The next thing we would have to check out are the sparks plug. So me I recommend that, you know, the person change the sparks plugs. See, because only the sparks plugs left would have make the number 2 cylinder for misfire. Means that the coil packs are good, the current we are go to the coil pack good. So only thing left is the sparks plug for check.